Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zero and you're watching Future Proof. Today, the price of Bitcoin is making new high and is up 9.38% on the day. We have Ethereum pumping, XRP pumping, Litecoin pumping, ADA pumping. All basically cryptos are pumping today, and we're going to be looking at why these coins are pumping. And I have some great news. We have here that articles coming out saying how Bitcoin performed 3x more than the stock market. We have another big firm, Guggenheim Partners, to buy $500 million worth of Bitcoin, to basically allocating 10% of their funds into Bitcoin right here. And we also have investor Raul Paul, who retired at 36. He's putting 75% of his assets into Bitcoin, and he says that Bitcoin is eating every other asset class for lunch, and he's putting his money where his mouth is. If that sounds good to you guys, and if you feel like you're gonna get some value from this video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. It'll really help the channel. As you guys can see, during the weekend, the price of Bitcoin exploded. I made a video here on Saturday when everybody was panicking and expecting the price of Bitcoin to go to $14,000. Every other YouTuber was saying the price of Bitcoin will crash more, but I did not. I look at the fundamentals and I look at the technicals, and I told you guys we were seeing a recovery. And just to have proof, I'm gonna put the video that I posted about this recovery on this video so you guys can see. And Bitcoin, as I told you guys yesterday, I told you that the RSI was oversold and that we had a cross on the MACD, and as you can see, we're having a reversal, a very beautiful reversal. These lines, they really serve to help to show you what the trend is. And when the blue crosses over the purple and the yellow, this is basically that we're gonna go back up. And obviously nothing is guaranteed. This could also be a fake out where it pretends it's gonna go up and then it goes further down. But like I said, the fundamentals right now are very strong for Bitcoin, and I don't see this at $500. It's at $539, and this is a really nice positioning, because as you can see, there is no resistance when Ethereum is going down, and Ethereum almost touched this 480 line here. That also confirmed that it is ready to go up higher. And like I said, people were calling for things to go down further, but I really doubt it, especially for Ethereum. Now from the other video, you can see that from the time that I had shared this information with you guys, Bitcoin has pumped over 20% from the time that I shared this information. And something very important has just happened, guys. We had just crossed this previous all-time high and creating a new all-time high at 19,600. Guys, this is very bullish, because once we pass this, Bitcoin is going to go in what's called a price discovery, and who knows where the price is going to stop. I want to look at other coins that we did talk about, which is Ethereum here. I told you guys, since over here Ethereum is going to reverse, I told you guys Ethereum 2.0 is going to come out. Buy the dip. I hope you listen, because Ethereum over here just did the same as Bitcoin and just had a 22% increase from basically November 28th. So that's 2 days ago. Think about that, guys. You don't see this volatility in stock markets, and this volatility is also opportunity for you to make money. And let's look at the winner of the day, XRP, which I told you guys from the past video as well. Start buying the dip right over here. XRP is curving up to make some explosive gains. So please watch out in this market. I have yet to make a video and explaining to you what Bitcoin really is, but these times are very exciting times, and I didn't want you guys to miss out on opportunities, which is why I'm showing you guys the charts and how to get in to not miss out on these pumps. And also, you don't know how a light bulb works, but you're using it. Therefore, you don't 100% need to know how Bitcoin works to make profit from it. And I'm going to, I promise, make a video about what Bitcoin is and why it's so valuable. Why is Ethereum extremely valuable? Especially Ethereum 2.0 is launching tomorrow. I'm expecting to see some big price volatility for Ethereum. I could see Ethereum jumping from where it is now to $700 with ease. So in this video, we want to discuss where we are now and where we're going from here. And as you can see, I'm really happy that I caught you guys while the price was down and everyone was panicking, and I reassured you that we were going to turn around and go back up. And as you can see, that's exactly what we did. And I'm going to push us back to the daily. Yeah, Ethereum, guys, is something to watch right now. I am going to make a video about why Ethereum is so valuable, but we are about to go through this line and we're about to make a new high this year. And the reason this is very important is if I go on the weekly chart for Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum has already gone up all the way to $1,400. So right now at $600, you're getting it 50% off, more than 50% off. So why is Ethereum pumping? Well, Ethereum 2.0 is getting released, and not only that, guys, Ethereum is the most valuable blockchain, because I can go show you guys. I'm gonna get into this more further, but if I go to this website called DeFiPulse.com, I want to explain something to you guys. DeFi is going to be something huge that I'm going to be talking about a lot in this channel, because DeFi is going to revolutionize everything and how we do everything in the financial system. And as you can see, when I started getting into DeFi, this number of total value locked was only $1.2 billion. And in less than 4 months, this number has jumped up all the way to $14 billion. Here, I want to show you guys that most applications are built on Ethereum. Look at this. Ethereum. Look at the value that is being unlocked in these projects. You don't need to understand what DeFi is. Just take my word for it. DeFi is going to be huge. DeFi is going to be the future, and DeFi is going to change everything. One of the things that I want to tell you real quick about DeFi is I feel very bad for all my friends that went to school to study finance and economics, because honestly, DeFi is going to replace all of that. Why would you hire a person to do something where you have a computer that is backed by blockchain that does it automatically? I'm going to get more into DeFi and what DeFi can do for the future, but as you can see, these are all DeFi platforms that have been pumping, and they're all built on Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the most valuable blockchain. Sometimes I can say, like, some people might get mad at me, but in my opinion, I also think Ethereum may be more valuable than Bitcoin, but we have to see. As you can see, this WBTC is wrapped Bitcoin, because Bitcoin can only be used as a to transfer money back and forth, but you can also deposit money in the Bitcoin inside of Ethereum and to use it for other things, which is huge, and that is just gonna increase. If you can click here, you can see the total amount of Bitcoin that is being locked in Ethereum has just been growing. So, and this is the story for another day. This video here that I'm making today is just to recap on what we talked about this weekend and the price potentials from here on. Uniswap that I told you guys buy some Uniswap. You still have a chance. Uniswap has curved up and is showing very promising signs. And as we can see here, Uniswap is going to break out. And where can we expect Uniswap to break out to? Sorry, this is the weekly. We can expect that Uniswap next pump could bring it to $5.50 and can also bring it all the way back to $7. So if you reach $7 from here, it's basically a 2x, basically multiplying your money. And I think that this is a really good entry point for Uniswap, because Uniswap, guys, is one of those biggest exchanges, decentralized exchanges. As you can see here, if I go to decentralized exchanges, Uniswap is #1, and it's built on Ethereum. So right now there is $1.32 billion locked in Uniswap. as people are delegating, and also to get paid in Uni tokens. But I'm gonna get into all that. This video is a quick video to show you guys what is happening in the market and my prediction and how that was accurate. And even though a lot of other YouTubers were talking about prices crashing down, I was telling you guys the price would go up. And here we're seeing a major correction in Bitcoin right now, and I can see this being bought right away. That's crazy that you guys are seeing this now. I'm gonna go more in the 20 minutes. This is how volatile these markets are, but Bitcoin is being supported by the 5-day moving average right here, which is that blue line. And on my future videos too, guys, on my technical analysis videos, I'm gonna set you guys up with TradingView and how to add these lines, which is the 5-day, 8-day, and 13-day moving average. These lines are very helpful to help me predict where the market is going. I do see here that on the 30 minutes, we are seeing an over bought on the RSI. So a little dump wouldn't be bad, but I can see us correcting back here at 19,300 and maybe staying in this range for a little bit before we push up, because this is a very strong resistance and I don't see us breaking it right away. All right, let's go back on the news. Why is Bitcoin pumping? Here we have one of the biggest firms and partners that are basically allocating 500 million into Bitcoin. And they're saying that they're allocating that 10% of their net asset value into Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. All right, so we have Raoul Pal, which used to be a Goldman Sachs trader, and he retired at the age of 36. Pal does very well for himself, and this news is he tweeted the other day, okay, last month I have sell order tomorrow to sell all my gold and scale into Bitcoin and Ethereum 80/20. I don't owe anything else, and 90% of my liquid net worth. This is huge, guys, because this guy, millionaires and billionaires listen to him, because he was managing funds for a lot of them. So this is another bullish thing, and this was tweeted yesterday. And as you can see, all of these are being reflected in the price of Bitcoin today. All right, guys, this is all for today. I hope you find some valuable information. Stay head clear in the game. If you have not bought Bitcoin or Ethereum, please be patient. I know that the prices are going up, and that's not when I would go in. I'm gonna make videos on how to get started for beginners, but these videos were only just price analysis on how I look at the market. And as you can see, if you had traded from the advice that I gave you, you would have been in profit from here. So please, if you find value in this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. It'll be really appreciated, and it'll help the channel for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay future proof.